Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, the inauguration of the second international conference on science and technology for Internet of Things 2024 on teacher profession education. Oleh to thanks for opportunity that happen to us. The present, the article with the title is Increasing Interest and Achievement in Learning Mathematics took a learning model problem-based learning based on gamification platform for student grade 3 at SD Negeri 2 Wojo. And the second time, let me introduce the speaker, the author. Speaker today, I am Yuyun of Wulandari from Sarjanawiyata Tamansiswa University, and the author are Nadira. And now we are going to move on to my presentation. The role of education is very important because so education students can actualize their potential. One of the subjects taught in school in formal education is mathematics. Mathematics needs to be given to students in school as a proficient to be able to think logically, systematically, critically, and creatively. However, in general, mathematics is seen as a rigid subject. Therefore, it is often revealed that math subjects are difficult to understand and boring. It shows that during learning activity, students' interest in learning is still low. Students do not actively participate in group discussion. In one group, only 1 or 2 students are active in discussing and answering questions on LKPD. Besides that, there are students who are less focused in learning, and there are some students who are less interested in math subject because they think that math is difficult. Based on the problem that arise, research seek to integrate problem-based learning models and gamification platform to be able to overcome problem in the interest and learning achievement of third grade students at SD Negeri 2 Wojo, with the focus of the subject is this study is mathematics. The subject of this study were third grade students at SD Negeri 2 Wojo, totaling 27 students. Data collection technique took observation, test, and non-test. This class action research used the chemist and MC target model. It has 4 steps in one cycle, namely planning, action, observation, and reflection. Based on the result of data analysis and processing of interest and learning achievement, took a problem-based learning model based on a gamification platform, it shows that there is an increase in interest and learning achievement of third grade students of SD Negeri 2 Wojo. This can be seen through the interest and learning achievement. Based on data on learning achievement result from the pre-cycle, it shows an average of 69 increasing in cycle 1 to an average of 74, and finally in cycle 2 getting an average of 80.2. Then for the average increase in learning interest from the pre-cycle, namely 43.8% with the category enough to 81.3% with the category very strong in cycle 2. Based on the result of the study, it shows that the application of a problem-based learning model based on a gamification platform in mathematics subject can increase the interest and learning achievement of third grade students of SD Negeri 2 Wojo. This can be proved by the increase in each cycle. In learning interest, the average increase from the pre-cycle, namely 43.8% with the category enough to 81.3% with the category very strong in cycle 2. Furthermore, in learning achievement, the average increase in score from the pre-cycle was 69, then rose to 74 cycle 1 and finally to 80.2 in cycle 2. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.